Lesson number 3. Impact, impact, and impact! Let's say Leihua, there's only one Leihua. How can we find a scalable solution that can create maybe hundreds of copies of me? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Leihua and I'm Senior Data Scientist at Walmart. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 lessons I learned from my last promotion to a Senior Data Science role. So the promotion happened last year, June 2023, and today is August 2024. It has been over a year since the last promotion. The main reason why I waited so long to make a video on this topic is because I want my content to be evergreen, to be useful. I want everyone who visits my channel and opens a link, I want you guys to learn something from it. Okay, you cannot create quality content if you are impatient. That's why I force myself to just sit aside and I let all of these good lessons sink in, and maybe after a year let's reflect and what really works and what appears to be working but didn't in our data science terms. What are the true positives and what are the false positives? Actually, the funny story is the script for this video was created a long time ago, maybe 8 months or 9 months ago, and I let it sit aside and didn't touch it for half a year. And I revisited the script last week. Then I realized some points, they were outdated, they were not applicable to everyone. So I removed and revised some. And then I added a few more points to the original script. So then here you guys are watching the revised, the final script. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, please give me a thumb up. And if you have any further questions, please do leave me a comment. I'm more than happy to answer all of your questions or concerns and help you guys grow in any way I can. Alright, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I'm a data scientist working in tech, and I'm going to share original content on big data, data science, statistics, and anything related to AI and what are the latest developments in the field. And if you are interested in any of these topics, please do subscribe to my channel. With that being said, let's get started with good lesson number 1. The promotion decisions do not follow the Peter principle. So what is the Peter principle, you may ask? The Peter principle says if you perform well, you'll count a role, you'll count a job, and you work really hard, you do all the tickets assigned to you by your managers, and after a few more years, you will get your promotion eventually. Unfortunately, that's not the case in tech. In the tech world, candidates have to demonstrate they have met the expectations at the next level. They have acquired all the necessary skill sets for the next level. They are ready to succeed and deliver good results at the next level. Then we can talk about nomination for promotions and get to the promotion if you have a very strong case. But why? I was very confused. How can you expect someone to demonstrate they have met the expectations at next level before the promotion happens? How can you demonstrate you have acquired all the skill sets at the next level in your current role? I was totally lost. After working in tech for a few more years and talked to a lot of more senior folks, they helped me understand why we do things in a particular way, even though it may not sound reasonable, but it makes sense, and it makes total sense to me now. The main reason is because there's a human cost with every promotion. Let's say junior data scientist or SDE has X amount of dollar compensation, and L4 has Y amount of dollar compensation. Y is normally bigger than X, and the same thing. There's a linear relationship between promotion and compensation. So companies have to justify the increase in human cost or in the capital cost. So what is the reason? The main reason is because this candidate can bring in more than the human cost. Okay. Also, another very important factor we have to consider is with every promotion, candidates or associates will have more scope of impact. If you promote someone who is not ready, who lacks the essential skills for the next level, any premature promotion will put them in a very awkward position, very uncomfortable position. Let's say I can bench 200 pounds and someone accidentally puts 250 pounds. I cannot, first of all, I cannot bench it, and the weight itself will crush me. So it's not doing anyone's favor if I'm not ready for the promotion. Okay, so the first lesson is so overwhelming and so important, and it is the theme of the entire video. I want you guys to think hard about the Peter principle and why we do not use it. Lesson number 2, identify your unique value proposition. As always, don't be another data engineer, data scientist, data analyst, software engineers, front-end, back, and full stack developer. These titles, they are misleading and they will not help you in the longer run. If you look at today's job market, within 24 hours, with a new opening, you will receive hundreds, if not thousands, of new applicants, and it seems everyone has masters and PhDs. They have XYZ years experience working in tech. But if you look deeper into their resumes and the past projects they have completed, you will be surprised how common their value propositions are. It seems everyone is using the same set of skill. Okay, so if it is so common, then why should companies hire you? Why should companies promote you? These are great questions, right? And I hope my brutal honesty does not hurt anyone's feelings. And my intention is to be honest with yourself and think really hard about your career perspectives. And I'm being honest with myself. I want to what type of career that I want and how I can get there faster than later. Okay. My short answer is your value proposition, your unique value proposition is the key to get to there. Okay, let's visit a typical workflow that a lot of data scientists or data analysts follow. So your PM approaches you with a question. Hey, Leihua, I have a question. I need your help. Then you read the statement and contact your data engineers, to ask them to help you get the data. Then after getting the data, you apply some methodology and do some data analysis work. Then you generate some insights, write a report, maybe hand over to your PM. Okay, your job is done. Great work. Any problems here? The problem is you are not so unique. You are playing a small role in a big project. You are not leading it. You are not initiating it. Okay, and you are depending on your data engineers to get you the data. You cannot complete the task by yourself independently. Okay, that's a big concern, actually, by the way. So what can we do? How can we overcome all of these obstacles, right? I don't have a very good answer. It's only my personal approach, and please treat it as food for thought. My approach is to combine data science, engineering skills, and product management skills, combine them together, and find a way to shape my own skill sets. Okay, let me elaborate a little bit. Within the data science field, which is my main domain, I want to be the absolute expert in experimentation, in data analysis, statistics, and research design. Be the best one in my team, in the company, if possible, within the industry, one of the best. If it is too hard to be the only one best, okay? Then learn from your data engineering colleagues, how they implement the pipeline, how they reduce the latency without increasing the cost, how you put them, and then also for your PM, how they communicate with other teams, how they align everyone on the same page and move together towards the same goal. So all of them can work, learn from your colleagues, right? Both engineering and PMs, and shape your own unique value propositions. Lesson number 3: impact, impact, and impact. It's getting late. I don't want to receive any noise complaints from my neighbors, but just FYI, my voice can even go higher. Okay, joke aside, senior ICs, we tend to be more results driven. We instead of process driven. Being results driven means we want to deliver good results end to end from the very beginning, identifying the problem, coming up with potential technical solutions, identifying the best solution, implementing it, and getting alignment from your stakeholders. So the entire workflow should be taken care of by senior ICs. You have to be responsible for the success of project. You have to be responsible for getting the job done and making everyone on the same page. It requires a lot of hard skills and soft skills. So one soft skill is how can you make sure everyone understand the importance of the project and getting them prioritize on this and get their priority and working on this issue first. Okay, and also we as senior IC, our time is limited. We only have 24 hours in a day, and how can we increase our output or efficiency within a short period of time or with limited time? So that's a great question that a lot of ICs we have to learn. One thing I realize is not all works are created equal, and they are important tasks. They are urgent tasks. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with this type of like a diagram. According to there's a like typology according to the urgency and importance of a task. So for me personally, I want to do the most important and urgent tasks right away, getting them done. If I have time, I will move on the diagram to maybe working on important and less urgent and the less important task, and move on to other tasks. If they are support tickets, I want to do them in batch, and I will not let any like individual support ticket interrupt my workflow. If it does, then I'm sure a lot of us have been through the process. When you try to do some deep thinking analysis, someone ping you with a trivial like ask, and maybe there's another notification, Slack notification, email notification, then your entire workflow is disrupted. And by the end of the day, you realize, man, I didn't complete any tasks. That's such a common phenomenon in the tech, and there are a lot of issues. I don't have the perfect answer, but one solution that we can do is prioritize the tasks according to their urgency and importance. Do the most important ones first, then move on to less important. Okay, and one thing I do is always delegate the non-urgent, non-important tasks, and free up your more time to do more impactful work. And also, we have to learn how to leverage ourselves. Let's say Leihua, there's only one Leihua. How can we find a scalable solution that can create maybe hundreds of copies of me, and that can work at the same time when the real Leihua is sleeping? So one thing you can do is create a Python script to automate the analysis process. You can educate your engineering colleagues, onboarding them about the basic maybe a data analysis. So next time when there's a support ticket, they can do the analysis by themselves. So you can if you find a common problem within your organization, you can write a conference page and propose some solutions. Okay, if you observe your customers have a difficult time browsing through your like tool, why don't you shoot a video? And also right now we have generate AI. Why don't you integrate into your work? Let Gen AI answer customers' questions. They are fantastic tools, right? And I've seen a lot of companies are doing this. So by using all of these approaches, you can build a scalable solution, and you can free up your time and increase your work output. So that's something we really have to senior ICs have to think hard about how to free up their time and build a scalable solution.